Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Nurmala Fitra. Today I want to invite all of you to relation on sometimes we often forget mental health. Amid the rush of life, social pressure, and the demands of stage politics, mental health because the silent victim. It doesn't bleed, it's not visible, but it's born quickly. We live in era of speed, where achievements are flaunted and uh, plural are hidden, but also of the system of policies. According to Indonesian Institute in April 2025, government policies in education, employment, and social security can actually be source of political. Let's look the really of the ground image students from a rural area struggling and higher education system that is expensive, highly competitive, and over almost no room for failure. They have to excel in class, be active in organizations while worrying about rent, food, and allowances from parents that don't always arrive on time. Meanwhile, fresh graduates face bitterly. It's hard experience where they haven't even been given the chance to start. This psychological burden is real. Behind the numbers and economic charters, there are real people fighting. There are those who smile every day while hiding their anxiety, where those keep going even though they then overlook. Unfortunately, the infrastructure and policy support for mental health in Indonesia are still far from adequate. This number of politicals and counselors is very limited. Even in workplace, this issue is barely discussed, and what even more disheartening, many still believe that asking for help is a sin weakness. Um, Ladies and gentlemen, whom I deeply respect, this is the time to change our perspective. Mental health is not a luxury, it's a basic need. As essential as eating, sleeping, and breathing, we can no longer let people walk alone, crying boundaries to be happy to bear. We need a system that cares, we need policies that make and I urge all of you students, lecturers, parents, youth, even national leaders to start caring, be good listeners to around you, create space to share, support counseling service in schools. And to the policymakers, I have a message: don't just build roads, building and economic infrastructure, also build safe speech for the hearts and minds of your people. Budget for mental health, provide equal access and the stigma. Because in Indonesian cannot be strong if the people are emotional fragile. Because a great nation is just a productive on but is this is a mentality and emotionality healthy. Let us reread these narratives together, starting today, starting with us. Thank you.